Honestly, Maddie, did you really think you could live in this? Guess I am cursed with messiness, but we are going to fix this, alright? Hello? Hello? Oh, there you are! Oh my god, I missed you! I couldn't find you! My room is a mess again. And today we are wearing Slytherin so that we can slither into this mess. Because we are going to clean up. And cleaning up in my language means an entire room makeover. So let's get into this. So this desk is going to be in this corner. Let's see what we can make of that. It's so big. It's grown so much. This makes a really cool spot to film outfits and stuff, but the thing is that the light isn't good here, so that's really annoying. But anyway, it looks cool and comfy. Alright, so right now I have to decide where I want to put my plants because, like you can see, I have a giant collection of plants. So yeah, I have to decide where I want to put them, and it's probably going to be here. But we also have some other spaces on my desk and in my bookshelf, but you can actually see that my bookshelf is kind of stuffed already, so I'm not going to add any more plants to that. But yeah. Oh my god, I am so clumsy. Alright, I am so sorry that it's been a couple of months since I've filmed this entire video. So the result is a couple of months later. We are now November, so it's been like 5 months or so, but I am still going to show you the results, and I'll do a room tour soon because I think that my room really looks amazing. But anyway, yeah, let's take a look around. Just a quick one because I will show you my room in another video, in a room tour that will be on my channel soon. I will put the link in the description below once I've made the video. So yeah, let's take a look. So here I have my bookshelf and my mirror in which I can see my outfits. It's not a really big mirror, but I still like it. Then I've got a place to sit with all my yoga mat and equipment for small workouts that I sometimes skip because I'm that lazy. I've got all my plants in the windowsill, and I've got some other plants over here. I am super happy that I created this space in my room to be able to put my yoga mat on the floor, because before I didn't have as much space as I do now. Just by switching the furniture, I kind of created an entirely new room. So I have lots of plants, and I also have my desk over there, and then I've got my bed with some other plants over there, and here I store part of my clothing. And the mirror creates extra space and light in my room. So yeah, that's basically everything that I wanted to show you, and I'll put up a room tour soon. So please subscribe to my channel if you want to see that soon and don't miss it. If you want to be sure that you don't miss it, please turn on the notifications bell, just a little bell icon next to the subscribe button, so that you never miss a new video. And I hope to see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye! Je suis à mon chocolat. Oui, je t'aime pour your bleu. Qui c'est après ceci?